One side's wet, so it's a different length, but I don't think anyone's gonna notice. And I'm gonna go because I'm late. Okay, so we are here.
Like, if you're not dressed up, like, what are you doing?
They have a mode. Look at that.
I'm looking at the view.
Yeah.
Okay, so okay.
Yeah. Alright, so we're finally here and it's freezing.
We're going to the barn with the vendors, wherever that may be.
Yeah, we're gonna find that.
We're a bit lost.
We're going inside somewhere just for a bit. Alright, well, I got a beautiful ring from this shop. It's very elven, so it's really cute. And from this shop, I got these like sorry, my hand looks really crusty. I got these little mushroom earrings that I've been looking for ages, and I'm gonna wear them.
First, we're gonna put Jin away and get ready for the next bird. Great horns up here.
It's so cute.
Great horns on top of his head. Tufts. His ears are a golf ball. So if you identical, they're just much larger than this particular bird. Now in the bird of prey world, the females are 1/3 bigger than the males. Almost across, a little under 6 feet.
Wow.
And this bird weighs about 10 pounds. So a female will weigh up to 14 pounds. And
we just finished watching the bird of prey demonstration.
They're so
the Erie, I think. It was really nice.
They're super cute. They're from Solaire Sprout.
Victory to the knight who's able to cut that apple closest to the top of the helmet without turning Marco into, well, fruit salad. What do you say? Do you wish to see it? Down on that war horse Levon. Raise your voices for Sir Tyler. Oh! TJ Sass charging on. Your voices if you want gold from TJ. What? Great disgust did ride down, and he did cut the sun. Coming about, and the crowd goes wild. Oh. These guys are costing me a lot of money. And the Oxford Renaissance Fair goes nuts. Oh! The champions out here on the field.
take it out.
freezing outside, so we are taking a break. I have stew and a lemon lavender loaf, and she got the same thing. We are at Ren Fair. What? As you can see, there are a lot of vendors.
We just finished taking some really cringy pictures.
Yeah.
And running around in the meadow. Wish they had like a photo op place.
That'd be so nice. I think they did actually, kind of like, or along the path over there.
Okay.
I think they did. I'll find out.
Oh, she's sitting on the chair.
Oh, I guess we can then. Yeah.
Watch, you can tell it's
It's been out for a bit now. It's been a long day.
Cute. You know.
or it's a binocular.
Alright, so we are done.
Such a beautiful, fulfilling day.
It was a good day.